When people no longer want to work with you in any capacity, let alone within a romantic relationship, it is typically because they believe you are replaceable. They believe that they have options and you are no longer among any of those options. You are essentially substitutable. You can be thrown away like an old sock and replaced with a newer one. Their desire to work with you either dissipated or just stopped altogether. This could be due to a number of variables where you might have contributed and where they have contributed. Regardless, they no longer want to work with you. You know, it's very interesting how we choose people. We do not take inventory or take stock of people and their behavior uh, and their character. We meet someone in a bar, we meet someone on the job, and we just basically assume that they are good people. But there are people who will come into your life who will have no objective other than to stay and get whatever they want and leave. You have two types of people who might not want to work with you anymore in terms of a preference for selfishness. You have people who are just users, and they might have feigned having a relationship with you. They moved in, you got together, you did the sexting, and then all of a sudden, when you go down, maybe financially, economically, right, you lose your job or something like that, you become easily replaceable, meaning that they can find another person that they can move in with and then pursue a relationship with them. It will be for a time, and then and they just keep the cycle going. Then there is a situation where your partner has been trying to work with you. You have been trying to work with your partner, and you both have been trying to work the relationship. And there maybe you were the person that kept resisting reuniting, reconciling, resisting change, and then the partner threatened to leave, and then you didn't get a clue for a long time until you truly realized that the partner was actually going to leave and that person actually left. And in some ways, the partner who goes on ahead and leaves because you didn't want to work together is maybe putting his self-interest or her self-interest as a priority for sanity reasons. For sanity reasons, for soulish reasons, because to stay with you too long might affect whatever they're trying to do in their personal lives, professional lives, academic lives. So being replaceable, it is very subjective. You can be the type of person who has to change mates every 1 or 2 years or every few months, right? You might be the type of person who tried to work with with your ex-partner, and that person did not want to work with you, and so you decided to go on ahead and leave. And replaceability in that case might be you just wanted to replace the fact that you needed time away, that the time you spent with that person is replaceable in terms of the time that you need to spend with yourself.